scrolling for a moment. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing your money earning for you even while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways anyone can make money every single day. No scams, no stress, no hustling endlessly. By the end of this video, you will see how small, consistent actions can turn into security, freedom, and confidence. Hi everyone, my name is Toye and I am a certified chartered accountant. On this channel, I share smart tips that help you make, manage, and grow your money. If you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, constantly worried about bills. What if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? Money isn't meant to just sit idle, it's meant to work for you daily. Imagine if every day your money quietly grows while living your life, doing your work, taking care of your family, learning, or even resting. That feeling of freedom, security, and confidence, it's not a dream. It's something you can start building today, even with small steps. So here is what I want you to do. I want you to think about one simple action you can take today to start making money every day, and keep this in mind while we run through these 3 methods. Before we dive in, click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get to see more of these videos. I post step-by-step videos that will help you to make money every single day and grow your money on this channel. The first method is simple but incredibly effective. High interest savings account. I'm not talking about leaving money in your commercial bank, GTB, Zenith. No, I'm talking about leaving money in a high yield savings account, or these fintech apps like Carowise, Piggyvest, Optimus, Ladder, etc. that enables you to earn interest on your money every single day. The key here is consistency. Even small amounts matters. Daily interest is like planting a seed that later grow into a garden. One thing I usually tell people in my community is not to despise the days of little interest. The 500 naira that you can be earning every day on your interest in your high yield savings account will go a long way if you continue to do this consistently. So don't despise small interest. If it is 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira you can start with, remember that the key here is consistency. When you do it every day, you are seeing your progress and you're motivated to even do much more. Now let's move on to number 2. The second method is money market fund. If you're new on this channel, you perhaps you're hearing this for the first time, but if you're an OG on this channel, you know that we consistently talk about some money market fund, which is a low risk investment that you can start with as little as 5,000 naira. Money market fund is like a pool of fund that is managed by professionals, and this money, your money together with everyone, is invested in low risk instruments like the treasury bills, the commercial papers, the bank placement, and bonds. So this is managed by professionals. Even if you don't know anything about investing at all, you can start with money market fund and you generate interest every day. Your money earns interest every day, so you even take advantage of compounding. But it works best if you do it consistently. It is not a must, but it works best if you do it consistently and you don't withdraw your interest. You reinvest your interest. So your money earns interest and your interest also continues to earn interest for you every single day. That's the power of compounding. And compounding is known as the eighth wonder of the world. So every day your money is earning interest and you're making money every day while you're focused on your work, either you're a 9 to 5, a content creator, or what have you. If you're finding this useful so far, please click on the like button and drop a comment. This tells YouTube that more people need to see this kind of content, and then they push it to more people. The third method is digital product. Once you create something like an ebook, a course, or a template, people can buy over and over again, and you don't even need to be online consistently. One sale today, another tomorrow, another next tomorrow. Sometimes you can even make 50, 100 sale a day. However, at the initial stage, you might need to put in a lot of work because you're putting something out there and expecting people to give you money, right? So you need to build trust. you need to show up online consistently. But this is something that over time, you don't need to be online consistently. People go to your page, they see your videos or they see your content, they go to your website or link in your bio, and then they are able to make purchase. This is the real leverage. A single product can generate income for you consistently over and over again. And the best part, you don't need millions to start. You just need creativity, consistency, and action. Comment below, which of this method are you willing to try first? Is it the high yield savings account? Is it the money market fund or the digital product? I will reply to every comment. And perhaps you're already thinking, I don't even know what I'm going to create content about. First thing is to look within. What is something that you can talk about even when they wake you up from sleep? You don't need to prepare. You can talk about it from A to Z without needing any preparation. Another thing, you might need to learn something so that you can teach other people, right? Learn something, teach other people, monetize it. There is something you know already that you can teach people. Or perhaps you're saying, doing, I don't know a digital product to create, I don't know anything, I don't think I have anything that I want to share with people. There is something you know that you can teach others. But even if you're saying you don't know anything that you can teach anyone, go to ChatGPT, give it different prompts. Talk to ChatGPT as if you're talking to a friend and sharing all your problems. It will give you different ideas, the different products, different niches that you can create products, ebook, templates. People are making money from how to clean your house, how to make vegetable. You will be surprised at the ridiculous things that people are making money from simply because they have a digital product out there. So if you're saying I don't know anything, which I believe is not true, right? But if you're saying I don't know anything, go to ChatGPT and give it different prompts, right? So let me know in the comment section, savings, money market fund, or digital products. If you want a detailed video on how high yield savings accounts work, I have a video already prepared on this. I will drop the link in the description box below, so check it out. If you also want to know step by step how money market fund work or how other investments work, I'll drop the link to the money market video in the description box below. Do click on it to watch it. If you want maybe a bit of hand holding and all of that, I have a training that is coming up tomorrow, 10th of January. It's a 2-hour practical money class where we'll be talking about how to invest in FGN savings bond, treasury bills, money market fund, the different business that you can start in 2026 to make profit, how to invest in stocks, and I'll be giving you a list of stocks that you can look into to make money from in 2026. So I will drop the link in the description box below. It's Reset 2026. So do well to join us. The class is starting tomorrow by 7 p.m. Financial freedom, it's not a dream. It's not something that is far away. It's not something that is far-fetched. It's a daily habit that is built consistently over time, one step at a time. Money does not have to be a burden. It can be your partner. Money is a tool for freedom, a tool that you can control to do anything you want. Start today, stay consistent, and over time, you'll be shocked at how powerful daily actions are truly are. Remember, freedom, security, and confidence comes to those who act, not those who procrastinate, not those who delay. I hope that you're going to take action today, right now. Go on Play Store, App Store, download PiggyVest or Carrywise, and familiarize yourself with the app. The apps are user friendly. Check my video on money market fund. I mentioned some platforms that you can invest with. Register for Reset 2026, the training that is coming up 7 p.m. 10th of January. Start taking action today so that your future self can thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you've learned one or two that you can start implementing right away. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with someone who needs this, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time for a more practical video. Cheers.